Hindi raw nag-alala si US President Donald Trump sa mga posibleng maitalang sugatan kasunod ng pamamaril na bumulabog sa pagtitipong dinaluhan niya. Nakatutok si Darlene Kai.
How worried were you that there were going to be injuries?
I wasn't worried. I understand life. We live in a crazy world.
Sinabi yan ni US President Donald Trump sa panayam kasunod ng pamamaril Sabado ng gabi sa Amerika. Sa hotel kung saan ginaganap ang White House Correspondents Association dinner. Agad na inilika sina Trump at First Lady Melania Trump. Gayon din si Vice President J.D. Vance at iba pang miyembro ng gabinete na naroon.
When you realized there was a threat and service agents were telling us to get down, can you describe what was going through your mind, how you were feeling in that moment?
I was watching to see what was happening. Probably should have gone down even faster. Melania was very cognizant, I think, of what happened. I think she knew immediately what happened. She was saying, that's a bad noise. And we were whisked away along with other people, but we were really whisked away.
Nilabas ni Trump sa kanyang Truth Social account ang footage ng isang armadong lalaking tumatakbo at malapitang binaril ang isang Secret Service agent. Naaresto ang suspect na kinilalang si Cole Thomas Allen, isa umanong guro sa California. Inaalam pa kung paano niya naipuslit ang mga baril at armas na dala niya kabilang ang isang shotgun.
Mr. President, do you know if you were the target of the gunman?
I don't know. It sounded to me, I read a manifesto. He's radicalized. He was a Christian, a believer, and then he became an anti-Christian, and he had a lot of change. He's been going through a lot based on what he wrote. His family was very concerned. He was probably a pretty sick guy.
Makailang ulit na ring may naitalang assassination attempt kay Trump. Kabilang ang pamamaril noong 2024 kung saan tinamaan sa kanang tenga ang nooy kandidato pang si Trump sa isang campaign rally ilang buwan bago ang presidential elections. Darlene Kai, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.